and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be doing a room tour of my homeschool room, but we're going to start out a little bit different. This is just kind of what my room looks like over the summer, so it is like a disaster down here. I mean, not a disaster, it's not horrible, but there's definitely just stuff kind of thrown everywhere. There's new curriculum laying around. We've got all our new school books. At the end of the year, we do a clean out of all of our drawers. So the kids at the last day of school, we have everybody just clean all the old stuff out of their drawers. We get everything put in the recycle bin so that when we get to this stage, it's kind of fresh and ready to go, so I can kind of fill it in. But we do have to do a little bit of arranging this year, and we have to do a lot of cleaning. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do like a little time lapse of us cleaning up and rearranging, and then as soon as we're done with that, we'll get to the finished room tour. All right, here we are, guys. It is all finished and organized, and we are ready to go. So Olivia's gonna stay in this desk over here where Jax is. We moved our little reading bench in the middle. Katie's desk is gonna be there. And then Haley and I are actually gonna kind of share this L desk, and that way I can kind of have my workstation right here, and then I can turn here to meet the kids when we do our daily wrap-up meetings. And then over here on the side, we have our little supply caddy sort of station. This is also where they turn in any finished work. It goes down there in those bins. And then that's just our storage unit, so I keep extra stuff down there. I do have a little kind of reminder chart up here of some common skills that, you know, we just like to have little reminders for. And then here is Olivia's desk where Jax is. She's in charge of the calendar for us. Thank you, Jax. Here's all of her drawers. They should all be filled and ready to go. So she just keeps one subject in each drawer, so she is ready to go for the school year. And then this top drawer has her Bible, and then it has her little caddy in here of all of her supplies. So we really love these IKEA drawers. They make our life a lot easier. Down here in the middle, we moved our reading bench over here. Those are all our Classic Start literature units right there along that bench. And then we have some other reference materials and things like that down there. Then over here is Katie's new kind of setup. She did a super cute job. She's got her calendar all ready to go and her little back to school sign with her books. Her drawers are similar, so she's got her little supply caddy here, and this just slides. Her Bible is underneath there. And then in each drawer, she has hopefully organized all of her materials, and she puts one subject in each drawer, and then that way it's really easy to keep track of everything that we're doing. And then up in these cabinets above her desk, I have some of my teacher's manuals and just extra books that we have up there, so that's nice and handy. And then in this one, we also have just some more school supplies. Some of these things are kind of old and I need to get rid of them. Those are all of our fun little manipulatives that we use. Our Friends and Heroes Bible videos. This one has construction paper, extra art books, and those are my, I think, literature units up there and World's Greatest Artist units up at the top. And then this one just has some of our puzzles and games in there. This is actually going to be Haley's and my desk. We're going to be sharing it. Haley has a YouTube channel as well, and she films down here in the basement because it's nice and quiet. So I'll sit here, and then we can share this desk area. I won't really probably need to use that. And then, I don't know, Katie said she didn't need her colorful words reminders, but they're just so cute. I'm probably going to leave them up anyways. So here's kind of what our finished schoolroom looks like. I think it's going to be really nice for us this year. It's nice and clean, and I love it down here because we have lots of lighting. There is a window to the left there, so it's nice and bright. We've got a lot of natural light down here. So hopefully it'll be a great space for us this year. So now we're all ready to go. Our new curriculum is in our drawers. Our school supplies are done. I still have to do my lesson plans, but that shouldn't take too long, and then we'll be ready to get started for this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for following along on this channel, and I hope you guys have a great school year.